Welcome back, folks! Today, we're diving into the world of Mini Goldendoodle grooming with a product that's making waves in the pet care scene. If you're a proud owner of one of these adorable fur balls, you know how crucial it is to keep their coat in top shape. That's why we're excited to present to you the best Mini Goldendoodle accessory on the market, the We Love Doodles Dog Slicker Brush. Let's kick things off by exploring what sets this brush apart from the rest. Designed with the unique needs of Mini Goldendoodles in mind, this slicker brush is a game-changer for tackling tangles, knots, and mats with ease. Say goodbye to messy fur days and hello to a pampered pup. But what really makes this brush stand out is its professional-grade quality. Unlike traditional brushes, the We Love Doodles Slicker Brush is crafted to effortlessly glide through dense and long coats, leaving your furry friend looking and feeling their best. Plus, its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grooming experience for both you and your pup. Whether you have a Mini Goldendoodle, a Poodle, or any other doodle breed, this brush is a must-have addition to your grooming routine. From its long bristles to its soft pins, every aspect of this brush is tailored to ensure maximum comfort and effectiveness for your four-legged companion. Wrapping up, folks, if you're on the hunt for the perfect grooming tool for your Mini Goldendoodle, look no further than the We Love Doodles Dog Slicker Brush. With its professional quality design, doodle-loving features, and customer satisfaction guarantee, it's truly a cut above the rest. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in pet care innovation. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life with your furry friends even better. Until next time, happy grooming!